Today on SugarHero, we're making an Oreo milkshake. This one is for all you cookies and cream lovers out there. You are gonna love this shake. So start by putting 6 Oreos in a blender, and if you're me, you might think it's a good idea to leave the lid off so you get like an artsy video, but it's a terrible idea. It makes a big mess. So let's start again. 6 Oreos in a blender, this time putting the lid on like a smart person, and blend until the cookies are kind of chopped up. Next, we need vanilla ice cream. I love vanilla bean, but you can use whatever you have. You'll want to add 6 to 7 scoops into the blender. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Cover it, because we've learned a lid is an important part of the blender. Then blend everything until it's nice and smooth. To make these a little fancy, you can take some chocolate sauce and drizzle it in a spiral on the inside of 2 glasses. Divide your milkshake between the cups, and at the end you can top it with whatever you'd like. I love adding a little whipped cream, an Oreo cookie, and of course a cherry on top. This is deliciously thick, it's packed with Oreo pieces, and honestly, it's better than anything you can get at a drive-thru. Enjoy!